Hi everybody, here's a quick video from the Lutterloh pattern 193 from the 2008 range. Sorry it's a really quick video, I'm in the process of moving, so very little time at the moment to put videos together. Draft your pattern as normal using your hip measurement for this particular pattern, and it's right sides together with your fabric and cutting two pattern pieces for the left and the right. There's no need for a waistband on this pattern because it's already included in the pattern piece. This pair of leggings are going to be the easiest of all to make. All I need to do is overlock down that side, overlock down this side, open them out, and then do one overlock all the way from one heel, one ankle to the other. So I can just pin these two seams and then take it to the sewing machine. Same again, keep the paper pattern with the pattern pieces and also keep the pattern with them all in a stack. So if there's anything I forget, like if I forget to put a dart in or something, I've got them all very close to me when I'm sewing, I can just mark them. So my preferred way of putting elastic in is let's get some elastic first of all. I've only got these thicknesses of elastic. So what I tend to do is cut this down to the thickness I want. And if you remember on the pattern, it said the elastic should be 3 centimeters thick. So I'm going to be cutting 2 centimeters out of it. Just going to roughly put it around my waist to see how snug I want it to fit. Give it a bit of an overlap and then cut. I'm going to take 2 centimeters off the top of this. It doesn't have to be too exact because this is going to be wrapped away in the grown-on waistband. Then I'm going to join it together to make a loop. Just stitch that on the straight stitcher, and then I'm going to overlock it. Elastic is going to be fitted to the wrong side of the waistband, and then I fold, encasing the elastic in the waistband and stitching that down. So elastic is attached. Now I wrap that over and I will be cover stitching from the top side and then cover stitching the hem.